Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today it would be fun to do welcome back. I thought today it would be fun to film a Valentine's Day decor tour. So I'm gonna just show you what I have set up. Most of the things are from the Dollar Tree or just some DIYs, and I thought it would be fun to also include DIY at the end of items that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Behind me is my mantle. That's really the only place that I have mainly decorated, so I'll turn you around and show you. So here is our mantle. Like I said, this is really the main area that I focused for Valentine's Day decorations. Most of the things that you see here I found at the Dollar Tree, so I'll bring you up closer so you can see. So this garland I made, I got the doilies from the Dollar Tree, and then I just had this color of yarn. So I made the little pom-poms and I just strung them through. As you can see, they're strung through. I've had this, I think I made this last year or the year before, and so I hung that there this year. These candles right here, I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree, but I found these this year. I like how they were like this gradient, like ombre effect, and it's kind of like this pink rose gold color at the end. So they come two to a pack, so I got 4 of those candles to go there. This little heart box thing was thrifted. I found that at Savers. I got this love thing right here at the Dollar Tree, and all I did was I hot glued a little clothespin to the back, and I put in a picture of me and my husband. I painted this. I've seen this print floating around Pinterest. I think Anthropology was selling it, but I think it's by the Rifle Paper Co. I painted my own. I kind of changed it a little bit, so that's there. That's always there. I changed the chalkboard here to just the cute little heart with some greenery on the sides. On the other side of the mantle, I painted this little guy as well. It says, "I love you so very much." And then this I also kind of made over. I got the mailbox at the Dollar Tree last year or the year before, and then you just glue the mailbox onto the candlestick holder. And I leave little notes in there for my husband, as you can see. There's the side, the front, and then there's the other side. I really liked the way that turned out. I thought that was really cute. Over to the couch. I just have this little owl pillow that I made either the first or second year that my husband and I were married, and this was so easy to make. You just sew the owl pattern together and stuff it, and then all these little pieces you just hot glue on. Now over here on the desk, I actually got this idea from a YouTuber, Gentle Thrifty Mama. She did a really cute DIY on how to do this, so if you wanted to go look at her channel. And she put really cute roses and stuff in hers. I put this on the desk and I had these little pencils, so I thought that would be fun to have on the desk, and then I glued on those little felt feathers to make them look like arrows. The last place that we really have decoration is just the letterboard. I decided to go with something kind of funny, and my husband leaves in the morning. He goes out this door, so I don't know, I thought that would just be funny for him to see that. And also just this little, I've had this little heart frame, and I just put that little cutout bee in there, and so there's that right there. I almost forgot about this. So this is right in our entryway. I got this at the Dollar Tree as well. This wasn't like in the Valentine's decor area. It was in the party section, but I thought all the colors were really pretty and really Valentine's-y. So I didn't like it over the fireplace. I thought it was like too pinky, and so I just put it right here on the mirror. So right when you walk in, you can see that cute little tassel. go ahead and show you the quick DIY. I'll show you what you'll need and I'll show you the finished product. So I found this banner at the Dollar Tree. It's this really nice canvas banner and it says "Love Conquers All," but I'm not a super big fan of this design, so I thought I could do something to kind of make it over. And I was really inspired by the buffalo check. I really liked the look of that, so I thought maybe I could recreate something like that. So what I'm going to end up doing is flipping it over just so the print doesn't show through the felt. You'll just need the canvas banner, you'll need some felt squares, you'll need 15 gray squares, 6 black squares, and 9 white squares. And these are about 1.5 inches. And then you'll just need a hot glue gun and some scissors. Here's the final product. I actually really like how this turned out. So I did cut out some felt hearts, but since felt just sticks with felt, I'm just gonna stick it on there. But then I think I'm gonna use it for other things too. Maybe switch out what I put on it, or just leave it for, you know, oops, I dropped one. Just leave it for all year round kind of decor. So there's that for Valentine's Day, to, you know, just stick the little hearts on there. And then I think I'm just gonna leave it out all year round because I really like the way that turned out. So that's it for our Valentine's Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you to do some of your own DIYs for your homes. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, you can like the video. Make sure you comment. I love reading your comments and your feedback, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.